In Africa, we have pockets of excellence when it comes to science of journalism, but it's not fairly distributed. Personally, my concern is we still have like international journalists reporting on science stories in Africa, where we have journalists who understand the context better and who could relate to the stories that they write. So I think as much as we lose out on that opportunity, there's room for growth. We now have more journalists who report on science, but then they are not nearly enough. For instance, there are areas that remains uncovered. Mostly the journalists who report on science, they are drifting towards environment and health. But we have other areas that are hardly covered. Geology, space science, archaeology, physics, chemistry. These are stories that happen every day in Africa, and they need to be told by the journalists themselves. But at the end of the day, we also realize that people don't have the relevant skills to report with the depth and quality that people can appreciate.